Okay, we're recording because I think that Pepper's doing signs. I think she's learned some signs. It's going to be hard for me to do them while I hold the camera, I guess. But
why?
You've got one blueberry left there. More? You want more? That's pretty close to the sign for more. Blueberry. You still have one. Yummy. You like blueberries, huh? Not interested in the Cheerios this morning. Pepper? Would you like more blueberries? Yeah? More? Tell me that you want some more. Huh? How do we say more? Huh? Pepper? More? More? We tap our fingers together, right? Yes! Do you want some more? There you go. Oh my god, I really think you're doing it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. More? Or are you all done? Are you all done? More? No? You gonna eat some Cheerios? Oh, gesundheit. More? You're looking kind of sleepy. Blueberry. I think blueberries are your favorite food so far, besides Mama's zucchini gratin. What would you like, Pepper? Can you tell me what you want? Can you tell me what you want, baby? Blueberries, huh? Yes? Yes, you want more? That was great. I'm gonna cry. That was great, honey. All done? Oh, you're looking kind of sleepy. We did wake up at 6 o'clock. Right. More blueberry? More? Oh no. We're over it. Okay, I think we're all done. That's the next sign that we're gonna do. All done. I think she did it last night, but I'm not positive. So just for the record, more, I don't know if this will work, but more looks like this. Basically, a simple version looks like this. Okay, say bye-bye. Nice job, buddy. I'm proud of you.